We've searched the skies, we've sent messages, we've launched spacecraft carrying golden records. We've listened to the stars for over half a century. But so far, nothing. No reply, no signal, just silence. And that silence has led us to one of the most profound puzzles in modern science and philosophy. A question so simple, yet so unsettling, that it has haunted astronomers, physicists, and thinkers for decades. It's known as the Fermi paradox. In the 1950s, the great physicist Enrico Fermi was having lunch with colleagues when he posed a question that would echo through scientific history. Where is everybody? Given the age of the universe, the number of stars and planets, and the probability of intelligent life evolving elsewhere, why haven't we heard from anyone? Why hasn't anyone visited? Why is the galaxy so seemingly quiet? Let's break it down. Our Milky Way is over 13 billion years old. If a civilization arose just a few million years before us and developed interstellar travel, even at sublight speeds, they could have colonized the entire galaxy by now. Even using slow probes or self-replicating machines, the job could be done in less than a few 100 million years, a blink in cosmic time. But they're not here. There are no alien spacecraft hovering in our atmosphere, no megastructures orbiting stars, no undeniable signals shouting across the sky. So what gives? Scientists and philosophers have proposed dozens of possible explanations. Some are hopeful, others deeply unsettling. One of the simplest possibilities is that we're not looking in the right way. Perhaps alien civilizations are communicating using technologies we don't understand. Quantum entanglement, neutrino beams, gravitational waves. If their methods are beyond our comprehension, we'd be like ants trying to interpret Wi-Fi. Another possibility? They're out there, but deliberately avoiding us. This is sometimes called the zoo hypothesis, that Earth is being observed but not contacted because we're considered too primitive. Just as we might watch animals in a nature reserve without interfering, advanced beings may be watching us, waiting. Or perhaps we're simply not interesting. Planetary scientist Dr. David Grinspoon, who advises NASA, puts it like this: maybe the universe is like a vast forest full of ancient towering trees, civilizations that have grown tall and wise. And we, humans, are just tiny seedlings, still new, still unnoticed, still learning to grow. Then there's another possibility, one that casts a shadow over all others. What if civilizations don't last? This idea suggests that intelligent life is common, but rarely survives long enough to make contact. It's called the Great Filter, a theoretical barrier that stops most civilizations before they can spread across the stars. The filter could be behind us, meaning life is incredibly rare and Earth is a cosmic miracle. Or worse, the filter lies ahead, and every advanced civilization eventually self-destructs. Nuclear war, environmental collapse, AI gone rogue, a global pandemic. Civilizations may destroy themselves through their own inventions before ever reaching the stars. And if that's true, we may be staring at our own future. But not everyone is pessimistic. Some scientists believe that the silence isn't evidence of absence, it's evidence of scale. The universe is massive beyond comprehension. Even with our best telescopes, we've only observed a tiny fraction of it. Light takes time to travel, and many signals may be on their way, but haven't arrived yet. Others believe that life may be common, but intelligent life, the kind capable of building cities, writing books, sending messages, is extremely rare. After all, on Earth, life began over 3.5 billion years ago. But for most of that time, it was single-celled. Complex animals and intelligent beings only appeared in the last 0.001% of Earth's history. What if intelligence is a cosmic accident? Or, even stranger, what if we are the first? the first intelligent civilization to reach this level of awareness and technology. The first to listen, the first to speak. If that's true, we carry a heavy responsibility to survive, to grow, to one day become the civilization that welcomes others, the way we now long to be welcomed. And yet, amid all these theories, questions, and paradoxes, there remains one undeniable fact. We exist. That alone is extraordinary. We live on a pale blue dot, floating in the darkness, orbiting a middle-aged star in a quiet arm of a vast spiral galaxy. And somehow, we've built radio telescopes, space probes, and golden records. We've imagined the stars. We've mapped the invisible. We've dreamed beyond our limits. And though the universe remains silent for now, we haven't stopped asking, where is everybody? At Infinity Beyond, we believe that even in the silence, there is meaning. That the quiet is not emptiness, but anticipation. That the universe, in all its vastness, is still writing a story. And perhaps one day, that story will include more than us.